Hello friends, I am Dr. Rupa Gupta. In this video, I am going to deliver multiple choice questions on e-commerce in India. So let's start with question number 1. Internet is a single network, B, a vast collection of different networks, C, interconnection of local area network, D, none of the above. And the answer is B, a vast collection of different networks. Question number 2. To join the internet, the computer has to be connected to A. Internet architecture board, B. Internet society, C. Internet service provider, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is C. Internet service provider. Question number 3. www stands for A. World Whole Web, B. Wide World Web, C. Web World Wide, D. World Wide Web. And the answer is D, and that is World Wide Web. Question number 4. Internet work on A. Pocket switching, B. Circuit switching, C. Both pocket switching and circuit switching, D. None of the above. And the answer is A. Pocket switching. Question number 5. HTML stands for A. Hypertext Markup Language, B. High Text Markup Language, C. Web Technology Hypertabular Markup Language, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is Hypertext Markup Language. Question number 6. HTTP stands for A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, B. Hypertime Text Protocol, C. Hypertransfer Text Protocol, D. Hypertext Timer Protocol. And the answer is A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Question number 7. Dash is a language for creating web pages. Your options are A. HTTP, B. FTTP, C. HTML, D. None of the above. And the answer is C. HTML. Question number 8. URL stands for A. Universal Research List, B. Uniform Resource Locator, C. Universal Research List, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is B. Uniform Resource Locator. Question number 9. VSNL stands for A. Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited, B. Videsh Service Nigam Limited, C. Videsh Sanchar Nagar Limited, D. None of the above. And the answer is A. Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited. Number 10. Stages in the development of the internet. Your options: A. Innovation phase, B. Commercialization phase, C. Institutionalization phase, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 11. ARPANET stands for A. Advanced Research Project Agency Network, B. Advanced Research Program Auto Network, C. Advanced Research Project Automatic Network, D. Advanced Research Project Authorized Network. And the correct answer is A. Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Question number 12. The first network to implement TCP or IP are A. ARPANET, B. Internet, C. MANET, D. VNet. And the answer is A, and that is ARPANET. Question number 13. The communication protocol used by internet is A. HTTP, B. www, C. TCP or IP, D. FTP. And the answer is C. TCP or IP. Question number 14. Internet was originally a project of A. ARPA, B. NSF, C. NSA, D. ISO. And the answer is A. ARPA. Question number 15. Link between ARPANET, NSFNet and other network is called A. Network, B. Internet, C. Software, D. Process. And the answer is B. Internet. Question number 16. Seeds of Internet were planted in option A. 1969, B. 1970, C. 1960, D. 1980. And the correct answer is A, that is 1969. Question number 17. Original ARPANET was shut down in option A. 1970, B. 1995, C. 1980, D. 1990. And the answer is D. 1990. Question number 18. Which companies will soon be allowed in attract 100% FDI investment? Your options are A. Cash management companies, B. ATM management companies, C. Both A and B, option D. Neither A nor B. And the answer is C. Both A and B. Question number 19. India is the fourth largest FDI sources for which Arab nation? Option A. Iran, B. Iraq, C. Qatar, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is C. Qatar. Question number 20. In 1990s, the internet working of which three network resulted into internet? Your options are A. www, GPS and other private networks, B. ARPANET, NSFNet and other private networks, C. ARPANET, NSFNet and other public networks, D. ARPANET, NSF and NSFNet. And the answer is B. ARPANET, NSFNet and other private networks. Question number 21. Which of the following describes e-commerce? Your options are A. Doing business electronically, B. Doing business, C. Sales of goods, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is A. Doing business electronically. Question number 22. In which sectors does the government of India allow more than 50% FDI? Your options: A. Telecommunications, B. Insurance, C. Infrastructure or services, D. Print media. And the answer is A. Telecommunications. Question number 23. Credit card is an essential component of A. Electronic commerce, B. Internet commerce, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. And the answer is C. Both A and B. Question number 24. The term e-commerce includes option A. Electronic trading of physical goods and intangible such as information, B. The electronic provision of services such as after-sales support or online legal device, C. All the steps involved in trade such as online marketing, ordering, payment and support for delivery, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D, and that is all of the above. Question number 25. E-commerce is not suitable for A. Sales or purchase of expensive jewelry antiques, B. Sales or purchase of mobile phones, C. Sales or purchase of branded clothes, D. online job searching. And the answer is D. Online job searching. Question number 26. Which of the following types of FDI includes creations of new assets and production facilities in the host country? Option A. Brownfield investment. B. Greenfield investment. C. Strategic alliances. D. Merger and acquisition. And the answer is B. Greenfield investment. Question number 27. Which of the following forms of FDI is a cooperative agreement between firms? Option A. Acquisition. B. Strategic alliances. C. Merger. D. Joint venture. And the correct answer is B. Strategic alliances.